Undang-Undang Kaliang Persya ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Dr. Mukul Sama ulalit benjurip yagi jika bu doyong hakli rangna Shangpung West Giant Hills hadim badon gejing ujor gejing shalan bian yu doyong na ketigatan ha kini gisi la senar lang yaki MLA ke Kongres bakentup uba David Nongrum uba M Rapsang Dr. Mukul Sama ulong bakidon ki balak pentip ba udon udoyong ubam don bakam trai ubadan ha ketigatan bat kejing jurip kalong bantip katnu doyong udan hak tegi jeka namar katkum kejing tip balayo katkum ke report hakan riu tarik benai jeliu arajar arpau udoyong udai bandan iwei point sab huwei lak matrik tan hakli rangna hendai katkum kejing lap hak kejing jurip mentagasi Dr. Mukul ulong ba udoyong hak tegi jeka umdon setia kembelaai hak report bat namar kani kejing ja jong doyong balasya keno bakadan kejing khai bian yo doyong na kejela.
Here in East Giant Hills, this is the second visit. We have taken note of all the process that has been adopted. As I have said, it is a matter of concern that this so-called unclaimed coal or seized coal, when auctioned, the allegations coming from different miners is that along with this, lots of illegalities can happen. Now the most important thing is that we have to recall the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. Honorable Supreme Court has given its judgment on the 3rd of July last year. Now, amongst others, the most important order is to complete the whole process of disposal of the coal which has been submitted before the Honorable Supreme Court in its inventory, which amounts to 32 lakh metric ton, should be auctioned through Coal India Limited under the complete supervision of the NGT committee. Now, why this is being delayed is the biggest question. This delay is therefore responsible for facilitating this kind of illegalities. Not only that, the important issue here is because of the delay is there still illegalities going on in the mining site. I have expressed my concern, which is an offshoot of the concern of the people, that this whole scripted modus operandi must be done away. Because if you're talking about 19,000 metric ton of coal, the lifting order has been given 3 weeks back, it should have been completed. Another one is around 600 plus metric ton, which was also auctioned, and the lifting has not completed. Is the lifting completed, that 600 one?
7,000 were completed out of the 19.
No. The earlier one, that's 600 metric ton earlier auction wala.
Before this, sir? Before this 19,000?
Before the 19,000.
That's lifted, sir, I think.
That's lifted, completed. So therefore, this also, we want that this should be lifted immediately. If this has been auctioned, it must be lifted immediately. And we will be urging upon the Honorable NGT and Coal India Limited to expedite the process of auctioning as per the order of the Honorable Supreme Court. Let us respect the judgment of the Apex Court. And this is exactly what the miners also want. Many of the genuine miners whose coal are stuck because of the NGT ban, we must realize one fact, that if this delay in auctioning takes place, then they will not be able to recover the money, whatever little money they have invested for those coal mines. We will be further taking up this issue. We have also received some more representation from other districts. Some of the miners have met me yesterday, and those concerns also will be addressed. Thank you.
Do you give deadline for the government to re-auction this coal?
You see, it's a complex process. You have seen from the very beginning, after the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court, what has happened? The NGT committee headed by Justice Kachaki ultimately resigned. Now you have to go and understand the background leading to this whole development, leading to the resignation of the chairman of the NGT committee, Justice Kachaki, and also go through his report, which is available before the public domain. Then you will understand what is the complexities involved and why these complexities are involved, and these complexities created, is there any complicity from different corners to delay the whole process of auctioning. If you go through that report, you will have complete insight into the whole likely predetermined modus operandi that was scripted. Let's to see other aspects. I have gone into the interior in East Giant Hills. I have come here. I've just visited the circuit house. So unless I talk to the people, unless I meet them, I think it will be unfair for me to just have my opinion. My opinion must be based on fact. I'll be happy to see at least some developments if they have taken place. Obviously, when a district is created, there are natural process that takes place, and development obviously will be visible in due course of time. Now, how fast this visibility of development is ensured by the government is the question.